So many young people are unemployed today, but what if I told you that poultry farming can change your life even if you start small? Hello, my good people, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Esther and I'm a poultry farmer. Today I want to talk about poultry farming and the youth, why I believe this is one of the biggest opportunities for young people right now. I want to talk about 5 parts, and the first part is why poultry farming for youth. Because many youths are waiting for white collar jobs, but jobs are few. Poultry farming gives you a chance to create your own income. First of all, you don't need a degree, you don't need a big piece of land, you don't need millions of money. You can start with 10, 20, or even 50 chickens and grow step by step. Let us see why poultry farming is good for youth, because it has fast returns. It can also be done in small spaces. It teaches discipline and responsibility, and it also gives daily and or weekly income. Like now, when you are selling your eggs, you can get income very quickly. Yeah. Part 2 is my experience reality check. Let me be honest with you, poultry farming is not easy because chickens can die, diseases can come, and also making mistakes can also be expensive. I have made mistakes myself. I lost birds and I learned the hard way. But poultry farming rewards those who are serious, not lazy. If you are disciplined, clean, and willing to learn, poultry farming works. Now, part 3 is challenges youth must know. One big problem with youth today is impatience. Some people want to start poultry farming today, and become rich next month. It doesn't work like that. Another problem is believing fake advice online. You must learn from experience, from real farmers, and from your own mistakes. Now we are in part 4, how youth can start. If you are young and want to start poultry farming, this is my advice. Start small, learn fast, keep records, maintain cleanliness of your coop, drinkers, and feeders. Feed your birds properly with quality feed and enough feed. And lastly, don't expand too fast. Learn fast and you understand your birds. Poultry farming grows step by step, not overnight. Now part 5 is motivation for youth. Let me say this clearly. Poultry farming is not dirty work, it is smart work. Instead of waiting for jobs, youth can create jobs. Instead of complaining, youth can build something with their hearts. Your future is not in your phone, it is in your actions. Now let us see the challenges youth face while doing poultry farming. So many young people start poultry farming full of hope, but after a few months they quit, not because poultry farming doesn't work, but because they were not prepared for the challenges. Now, these are some of the challenges young people face. And the first big challenge youth face in poultry farming is starting too big. You see someone online with 1,000 chickens and you want to copy them, but you don't see their experience, their losses, and their learning process. When you start too big, this can lead to stress, poor management, and heavy losses. To avoid this challenge, start small. Start with 10 or 20 or 50 chickens. Learn how to feed, vaccinate, clean, and manage before expanding. So, small beginnings protect young farmers. The second challenge is diseases and poor hygiene. Diseases are the biggest enemy in poultry farming. So many youth lose chickens because of poor hygiene, and that is dirty houses, poor ventilation, and skipping vaccinations can cause diseases. So to avoid this challenge, keep your poultry house clean. Also follow vaccination schedules. Do not allow visitors into a coop. Also observe your chickens daily. If one looks sick, act fast. Remember, this prevention is cheaper than treatment. Number 3 is poor financial management. Another challenge youth face is poor money management. Some young farmers eat all the profits instead of reinvesting. Others mix poultry money with personal money, and this kills the business. To avoid this challenge, keep simple records. Know how much you spend on feeds, vaccines, and chicks. Also separate poultry money from your personal expenses. A poultry farmer without records is farming blindly. Number 4 is lack of knowledge. You find that many youth jump into poultry farming without enough knowledge. They rely on rumors, WhatsApp messages, or fake online advice. They should do their own research to avoid costly mistakes. To avoid this challenge, learn before and during farming, and also learn from experienced farmers. Try to visit farmers who are very experienced so that you can learn more from them. Also attend trainings and watch educational videos, and also you can ask questions. In poultry farming, knowledge saves both chickens and money. Number 5 challenge is impatience. Now, like impatience is another silent killer. Many youth expect fast money. When challenges come, they give up. To avoid this challenge, understand that poultry farming takes time. Also, losses are part of learning. Every successful poultry farmer has failed before, so stay consistent, disciplined, and patient. Number 6 challenge is lack of market. Some youth produce eggs or chickens without knowing who will buy, and this causes losses and frustrations. And to avoid this challenge, find your market early, talk to shops, hotels, neighbors, and local buyers. And also you can use social media to sell and also produce according to the demands, not excitement. Let me say this clearly to every young person watching. Poultry farming is not easy, but it works. A youth who plan, learn, and stay disciplined to succeed. Challenges will come, but they don't mean failure. They mean growth. In poultry farming, challenges don't destroy youth, but lack of preparation does. The last challenge I want to talk about is the high cost of feed. The high price of feed is the biggest problem, and it often reduces profit and making it difficult to keep birds healthy. If you are a youth and interested in poultry farming, like the video, share it with a young person, and subscribe to the channel for more real poultry farming content. I will be posting more videos to help you start and grow. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.